Guys, welcome to another video. In this video, I want to talk about like the thing you want to avoid while building your online business with affiliate marketing in 2021. So I'm sure like you must be wondering, this is still 2020 and why you're talking about 2021, because 2020 is about to get over, like hardly few weeks left. So you need to gear up for 2021. So I just wanted to cover this video so like you build your business in the right way in the upcoming year. So before I actually talk about today's topic, if you're brand new to my channel, my name is Sachin and I'll be creating content on how to grow your online business with affiliate marketing, and also I'm going to document my journey on this channel. So if you are interested, please hit that subscribe button, and also if you want to get started with your online business in a serious way, be sure to check the first link in the description. That is what actually helped me to get started with my online business. It is a program created by my mentor. That is one of the greatest program, so be sure to check it out. And coming back to today's topic, like while you're building your business, especially with your personal brand, like you started with your journey like to promote a certain product. It could be affiliate product, or like maybe you want to promote your own products in the future. So that is what your goal is, like once you started with your online business. So but there is an important factor like how you go about this, especially with personal brand, because if you try to do this thing again and again, like it may impact big time in the long run. So like what thing is I'm talking about here is like the content creation around a topic. So for example, like if you don't plan your content accordingly, or if you don't create your content strategically. So what I meant by here is like if you're let's say you're promoting an affiliate product, okay, it could be anything, like it could be a software, or it could be somebody's marketing services, or it could be anything like you're promoting right now. So I have seen many people like they try to do everything. It's like there are guys like who do how-to videos, review videos. Those are best. I'm not saying like those don't work. You must do that. And the whole channel is about how-to videos and the best videos. That's what they start doing. But I highly recommend you not to only focus on those things, because what happens is like if you're focusing on how-to videos, or if you're talking about only one product throughout your content, for example, these are the benefits of this service, these are bad things about this service, and this is what you should do, this is what you should not do about this product, and this is how you should set up this thing. So if you're trying to do everything around only one particular product, and let's say you have built an audience as well, all of a sudden that product disappeared, or you don't enjoy that product promoting, or it could be they changed their compensation plan and something weird happened, and like let's say like all the audience that you have built is all around that product. So like that audience will not connect if you directly switch to another product immediately, because you have produced all the content around that particular product. So instead of that, like instead of talking more about the product, like you want to expand your exposure. I mean you want to you want to increase your exposure in the online world by creating such a content about generic topics that can actually bring people around you, and they're going to stick with you for a longer period of time. So I'll just give you an example about this. For example, you're just promoting Clickfunnels, okay, and you're just talking about how to connect a domain with Clickfunnels, how to set up the email automation, how to set up the SMTP integration, and how to do this, that, and all about Clickfunnels. And all of a sudden Clickfunnels said like, oh, we are not going to allow our affiliates to promote our product, or something weird happened. Unfortunately, it shouldn't happen, but still if it happened, like you will lose all that audience. And the audience which came to your videos, like they were having problem in connecting Clickfunnels with their domain. So they came, they saw your video, they got value, and they appreciated you, and they went away, because they are not looking anything else from you, because that was a how-to video. So definitely you're gonna do how-to videos and the best review videos as well, but this should be a part of your content, not the absolute content. So you want to increase your exposure by creating content around generic topics where people are gonna come around you, and that is gonna increase your exposure. And once you have that audience, you can promote any type of product. Like for example, like you talk about affiliate marketing, you talk about health niche. So start talking about generalized things that can actually help problem, or in the end or in the beginning you promote your product, and in the later end, like if you change the product, still you got the audience in that niche, you can promote any other product in that space. I hope I'm making this point very clear, because you don't want to just stick with only how to and best videos. You want to expand, you want to come up with a different marketing angle, because there are a lot of videos who are doing the how to videos and all that stuff. So you want to come up with slightly different, like you want to expand your wings, and like you want to change that marketing angle so that you get exposure to more people. You want to expand more people, and they stick with you for a longer period of time. And even if you, when you change the product or you provide your own services or product, that becomes much more effective and easier to promote. So it may not, it may, like you may not feel this difference initially when your audience is very small. By time as you grow your audience, like you will start realizing this thing. So if you're just starting out, like you want to get started with your online business, so keep this thing in mind, and start producing content accordingly and strategically. So you don't want to mess up this thing in the later part once you have a larger audience where you can't change much of a things there. So I hope I made my point here, and I hope you got value from this video. And if you are getting value from my videos, please do subscribe to the channel. And also, if you are serious enough to get started with your online business, be sure to check the first link in the description. That is one of the baddest program that I have ever seen, because the value in that program is amazing. You're gonna get to promote both high ticket and recurring commission programs, and all the resources and all the training that is required to be successful online. Be sure to check the first link in the description. And if you want to have a connect with me, you can always email me. I'll leave my email address in the description, and I'll see you on the next one, guys. Thank you.